Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at a powerful but often overlooked feature in MS Project, the organizer. If you're working on shutdown, turnaround, or repetitive project, this tool can save you a lot of time. When you manage shutdown, you often reuse the same thing over and over, same calendar, same filter, same view, same report, same custom field, but instead of rebuilding them all the time, we can copy them from one project to another. So let's go to the organizer. In File, Info, the organizer is there. So let's click on it. And you see in the tab at the top everything you can manage inside the organizer. So what I see on one column, you're going to see your by default your global.mpt, which is your master file, and the other file that is open at the moment. So my 2026 shutdown 2 that I want to prepare. And what I want to do is copy some stuff from, I'm going to bring the 2024. So I want to copy some material or things I have done in that shutdown and want to copy it over the other file. So let's go in the report. So I want to copy that shutdown report here. So I will copy it into that specific project. Same thing for the module. So this is a macro I did to create a conditional formatting, putting green line for everything that is complete and yellow line for what is in progress. So I want to copy this and I want to rename it. Let's see, format. Table. No new table I want to copy. Filter. I want to move that postpone filter over there. So I will copy it. Calendar. Actually, there is a messy calendar here that I have labeled to be deleted. So this is one way to delete the calendar. If you have create some messy one you want to get rid and don't want to see them in your list. So I'm going to delete that one. Yes, I'm sure. And I don't think I have nothing in map field. So okay, those fields have already been copied. So my field about the work order number and task number. So I can copy those fields. And I don't have anything in a group. Another last thing about the organizer, if I go back into the report, just want to talk a little more about the global.mpt. So if you want something to be all the time in your MS project, you should copy it on your global.mpt file, which is your master file. And but be careful what is going to be here and not in the specific project won't be available to others. So if you send that project by email to someone else and the element is not inside the MS project itself, it is in your global.mpt, it won't be available to other people. So that's it. You can see that in a matter of seconds, we have been able to copy the material from one project to another project. If you like that kind of content, if you like this, like the video, subscribe for more MS project and shutdown planning tip. And tell me in the comment down below how you manage your template, and see you in the next video.